Give 100% or just quit. Quit, stop playing, stop acting, stop lying to yourself, everything. Just quit. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Because here's my thing with it, right? Whatever it is, and this is for everything. This is for your job, this is for your kids, this is for your parents, this is for relationships. This is more like, if you're doing something and you're not willing to give 100%. Let's use relationships for as an example, right? If you're in a relationship together and you're giving 100% of everything to make it work, and the other person is not, eventually it's going to get to a point where you're going to be like, forget this, right? That's what it is. And that kind of goes with everything, because it's if you're not willing to give 100%, it's only a matter of time until you give up or until it doesn't work, because you don't really want it, you're not really willing to give 100%. So why waste the time? That's my thing. Why waste the time? Because you're going through it every day. You're waking up in the morning, you're trying to make it work. Let's say, I know you're trying to do this job, and obviously, like a normal career, it's got steps. So you graduate, you do the normal stuff, and then obviously it's got the steps to move up, to get normal promotions. And you obviously, everyone talks about, I want to get the promotions and I want to do X, Y, Z, and eventually work my way up in my career, but then you're not willing to give 100%. So what's the point? Might as well choose something else that you're willing to give 100% at, because you're going to lie to yourself. You're going to think mentally, you think you're giving 100%, but you know you're not giving 100%. So you're going to end up stuck in the middle. And then 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 years, just still in the middle. Then you're frustrated and you're depressed. And you're like, I never got to the peak of my career. Then maybe you don't want to do this no more. The truth is, you wanted to do it, but you just weren't willing to give 100%. So why waste the time? Same thing goes for, being a parent. Why go and birth kids and basically bring kids into this world if you're not willing to be there 100%? Because you gotta look at what that does to the child. You're bringing them into this world. You're not willing to be there for them 100%. All the emotions that they're going to have to go through just cause you did it and you weren't ready for it. And you're lying to yourself, saying you want to be a mom just cause it's it's a baby trend. Like everyone's getting babies and everyone's getting down or married or whatever it is. So you're kind of following a trend, but you're not really willing to do this 100%. You're not really willing to put in what needs to be done to raise a child. What's the point? Because all you're going to do is damage that child mentally eventually as they grow up, and then you're going to be that dad that was never there. Oh, my mom tried, but man, like, do you know what I mean? Like, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So that's what I gotta say. Give 100% or quit. Accept where you are. Say, do you know what? This is me. I'm gonna be here, right here in the middle. That's me. That's where I park my car. That's it. That's me, right here in the middle. And just live life. Because then you ain't lying to yourself. Then you're not trying to wake up every morning trying to chase a dream when you're really not. Mentally, you believe you are. You're lying to yourself that you are, but you're really not. You're better off saying, nah, I ain't chasing no dreams. I'm good. I'm gonna wake up every morning. I'm gonna work a 9 to 5. I'm gonna do 12-hour shifts, whatever it is. This is me. This is my life. I am done. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.